He's a waste man. He's a waste man. He's a waste man.
And now you're sitting there looking at Frank.
You're telling me about Pedro Porro. He wasn't
right now. It looks crazy. I told you he's a clown. I told you he's a clown, bro. Yeah, I'm saying that Danso guy as well. He's rubbish, man. He's absolutely rubbish. Spence is the only one that played half decent. The rest of them, Tell took his goal. Well,
nah, Danso's not rubbish, bro. Allow that.
Rubbish.
He's just got it, bro.
Rubbish, bro.
He's hard. He's got the potential to be like Saliba is for you, man. For us.
Repeat.
I want him as a direct replacement to Romero, bro. Get him out.
Wait. No. Just VAR that.
Danso, Saliba, huh?
You saying that Danso will be on the same level as Saliba?
Impact Spurs the same way Saliba impacted Arsenal, the same way Van Dijk impacted Liverpool.
Bro, you was getting cooked from the right-hand side. What are you talking about? What did he do?
Oh, man. You got to understand, bro. He's getting cooked because the team's a mess, bro. Not him. He's not the problem. Like, Matthias Tell, he's not the problem, bro.
What did he show you in those 2 games to get Saliba and Van Dijk comparisons?
Bro, no, it's hard.
No, but yeah, what did he show you?
When he's around ballers, trust me. Bro, even Saliba in our defense can't do jack.
You really said trust me, bro.
Bro, this is the same fan base here that was saying, Kulusevski's gonna be the same level as Saka. What happened to that? Romero's the guy. What happened there? That guy died as well. Then you told us about Dragushin. Yeah, what's going on with Dragushin?
No. Dragushin's a waste, man.
You've been gassing these guys up the whole time, and now you're saying, now you're telling Lewis, trust me, blood. Trust me, bro.
Nah, trust me. Danzo's a madman.
You were waxing lyrical about Pedro Porro.
Chelsea wishes they had a Danzo in their back line, to be honest.
They're just shameless.
Bro, these men are buying with centre back is so low.
Sassy, aka disaster. That's the sort of brother you needed at your back line.
Bro,
crazy.
Our bar is so low with centre backs. Even if he was an upgrade, that wouldn't be a flex.
Really? Bro, I'm telling you, bro.
You could get rid of any of those centre backs.
Did you watch France against Austria in the Euros? I did. I saw this brother manhandle Mbappe and even give the brother a broken nose.
Can I just stop you there? It will be the same Arsenal fans that told me, did you see Moreno in the Euros? Have you seen him in the Prem?
Nah, he's a
Have you seen him in the Prem? Nah, but it's the same. Don't come with that. You can't come out with that. Oh, yeah, but did you see him in the Euros? Okay, it doesn't always translate that you're going to do it in the Premier League.
Look,
Moreno look half decent in the Euros. Look at him now.
Hope Gaming, my bro, he says Danso has got the physicality which we lack, and his forward passes are great. He's also very quick. Do you get what I'm saying, bro? It's long, bro. It is long. One Danso has a
bro.
The problem at the moment
explanation
is,
at least. That's all I wanted to know.
Bro,
what gives him the Saliba Van Dijk comparison?
Danzo's better than Romero. I said it.
Danzo's better than Romero, but you're gassing up Romero. That he's one of the best centre backs in the world.
Let me tell you. This is what I'm saying, yeah. What you gotta understand with me, sometimes it's what it is, sometimes it's people failing to reach their potential. Lewis, you would agree, if you're a World Cup winner, you should be one of the best defenders in the world. I lie?
Well, he should be a high level centre back, yeah.
The issue with Romero is that the brother doesn't concentrate. The only time he performs is when he's in Buenos Aires. When this brother is here in London, he's a waste man. Like, legit. I reckon if Romero goes to Madrid, he's a different player. I just don't think he wants to be at Spurs. So I can't give him the props. He ain't playing to his full potential. That's why I want him out. And I'm hearing murmurs that Romero's already told Tottenham he's leaving in the summer. And I say, good riddance, be gone. I don't want a player that don't want to be here, bro. So for me, I like Danso. He's quick, he's strong, he can block someone's nose, he can win balls in the air, and he just needs a Van de Ven or a Mark Guy at centre-back with him, and it's long for a lot of defences. And then you just need other brothers on the left and the right. Udogie, if he comes back and fixes up, and Jed Spence, that is a back four that can do something. But at the moment, when you're playing Archie Gray, left centre-back, right centre-back, left back, you know, Ingo, striker, right wing, left wing. It's a joke. It's a mess. And that's what Postecoglou has done. By fire, by force, Archie Gray, his long lost child, has to be on the pitch. Do you get me? Even though the youth is tired, even though you're playing the youth out of position, and then he gets caught time after time, he doesn't learn. And that's not Archie Gray's fault. That's like playing Ethan Wanyeri left back. It's stupid. He could probably do a job, but that's not his position. That's what's going on. So the brother needs to leave.
What are you saying about Son as well, man?
Yeah. No. I called it out. I called it out even on your channel in the summer.
Yeah, you did.
Having foresight. I said, let's sell this brother 70 mil. He's a legend. Let's remember him as such. The brother's come back this season. And, you know, LB made a very good point last week on Dan Potts' show. He said, people say as a footballer, you can't lose your abilities overnight. And he said, yes, you can. That's what happened to Son. He lost his powers overnight, bro. He can't play in the Prem. He can play in the Liga. You get me? He can play in the Bundesliga, all them leagues there. But the Prem is too fast. It's too physical. It's too draining. So Son is just not up to the Premier League level. He should be gone. He should be sold. But we keep forcing it. And he keeps disappointing. And then we start booing him. And then we start hating on him. I don't want to hate on him. He's a legend. But you're putting him in a situation where he's looking like a waste man. Another reason why the manager should go. Son, if I was in charge, Son does not start against Liverpool. Son does not start against Villa. No way. He can't move. Easy to defend against. Easy to block. He can't go 1v1 anymore. He's old. What are we doing? So for me, I'm answering for the crimes of a manager that is completely clueless. When they coined Postecoglou no clue, I said, that's deep. But it's the truth. The brother's got no clue. He doesn't know what he's doing, doesn't know how to manage a squad, doesn't know how to rotate. A lot of the injuries that Tottenham have had this season is down to the manager. Why would you risk Van der Ven and Romero for the Chelsea game? Why? Let's put it this way. We normally lose to Chelsea. What is another loss? It's nothing. Instead, you play them, they last 15 minutes, they're off, and we don't see them again for another 10, 15 games. It's an edictness. Stupid. So for me, he's got to go.
What are you saying about the Europa League? How are you feeling about that?
No, the one thing I would say to you is stranger things have happened in football. Postecoglou, if he wants to keep his job, and I'm not moving the goalpost, but I can see that Tottenham fans would have been happy with a Carabao Cup only this season and 15th, and they would have kept this brother in a job. If this brother can somehow, by some miracle, win the Europa League, I still want him out, but I can see him keeping his job. And you know what? He has his opportunity. If he can kick on from there, so be it. If he can do an Arteta and then take us to second in the Prem, all good. You get me? Grateful for him. But do I believe he's going to win the Europa League? No, I don't. We were losing with the man them there. We were losing with them there. We lost to Crystal Palace with our strongest team. I don't believe for 1 second, with the injuries coming back, he's going to somehow do some wonders. But hey, let's see. For me, I just want to get knocked out of the Europa League and see this brother gone. Then there's no excuse for him. There's no reason. Having been knocked out of all competitions and languishing in 15th, there would be no reason for this brother to still be in charge at my club.
I hear that. Lewis, what'd you make of Spurs, man, after getting absolutely put to sleep by Aston Villa, man? What'd you make of them?
Bro, Spurs losing don't shock me anymore. They're just based on the amount of injuries, the way they play, and the fact that it's very easy for teams to figure out how to pick them apart.
But it's mainly the injuries, right?
Both anything. The injuries could even come down to the manager too, so yeah. I can understand that sort of question as well. I only had the Villa game on in like the background and everything because still recovering from my hangover and that. But the amount of times I saw them get cut apart in transition, you could tell that there was a game plan that was being utilized very effectively against them, and the manager wasn't doing anything to change that. So I understand Spurs fans' frustrations with him. As much as I do think with the right players, Ange's system would start working out a lot more. Ultimately, they don't have those players and there's no adaptation. So you're just going round and round in circles. And it's like, you might as well just cut the ties and get somebody in who could just get a tune out of the players that you have. Yeah, it's not the brand of football that Ange has, which I do think would be effective with a different squad, but ain't the squad you have. So you either rip everything up and start again, which I don't think you're going to do, or you just cut the manager off and get someone who will just adapt to the players that you have. But you guys have let this drag on for months, and I don't think it's going to change now till the end of the season. So now it's just about getting enough points to stay up and then just writing off the season.
But that's the thing, Lewis, yeah? It's like they never fully go 100% in any direction. Like they had Poch that was somebody, I guess, that did the best with what he had. And then he wasn't backed. Then they went down this proven manager thing. And then it's like, oh, we're not going to fully back him. I don't really know what direction they really want to do. I mean, Dad, you let me know. I mean, you're the Spurs fan here. But I just don't really know what you guys are trying to do.
I think, bro, this is why I said that Levy's watching. You see this content creating thing that you man do. You know, it's a pleasure to be amongst celebrities in
you man, like you ain't got a channel.
with you know, you and Lewis are celebrities in this game, and it's a pleasure to be here. And thank you for the invite. The thing is, bro, that this whole world is got mad, like legitly. We were on the right lines with Pochettino, but then the noises, Lewis, you're part of the problem. I'm not gonna lie, bro. And when we get to your club, don't worry, I want to deal with you. Which is that.
All my Poch slander came from when he was at Chelsea.
Just know you're getting your smoke before I leave tonight. Is that it was all about the trophies? Yeah, that's what you man say. It's all about.
Why are you attacking me and Lewis, bro? It's your ownership letting you down.
I'm coming for you, man. I'm coming. You're in there with beef already. So you man said it was all about the trophies. So Levy heard and went, you know, let me go and get a proven. Because you man said, why don't you go and get a proven trophy winner? Well, we did. We brought in Mourinho. It didn't work.
And you sacked him 6 days before a final.
Yeah, because he was a waste man. Then we brought in another proven trophy winner in Conte. He lost his bedroom. He didn't want to be here, wanted to be in Italy. Rare. Yeah? But the truth is, that was never Tottenham. We should have kept with our identity. Our identity is, you know what? Get a coach in, work with the resources you've got, do your thing. Not pretend to be Chelsea and then ain't ready to spend like Chelsea. That was where we went.
Didn't the manager that you love have a final? What did he do in the final? You're talking about Mourinho, like, oh,
yeah, bro, you know what? And you know what? I've been proved right this season. I would.
He's right.
I've been proved.
You said you're gonna do a treble.
Now listen. Let me tell you what I've been proved right.